Hey folks, welcome to our channel, Learn with Fun. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will learn about CMD, that is, Windows Command Prompt. It provides a text-based interface to interact with the operating system by executing commands and running various programs. Also, CMD is a powerful tool for system administration, troubleshooting, and automation. Now you know about CMD. Moving on to how to use comments. In programming languages, many a times users want to use their own languages to recall what a certain block of code does. That's the very feature of commenting. In CMD, we use two consecutive colons to start a comment. You can also use rem keyword to start a comment in CMD.
As you can see, the current file path is open in C drive, which is the default local disk drive. Now, we will teach you how to change the current disk drive. First, you need to open Explorer.exe to check if you have another available drives or any external storage devices. Check the alphabet assigned to your external storage devices. Now again open the CMD window, type that alphabet followed by a colon, and hit Enter key. That's it. Now you have entered other disk drive. In CMD, to print a text, we use the keyword echo. The syntax is, first you write echo followed by what you want to print in the console and hit the Enter key. Now we will learn how to use variables in CMD. We use the keyword set to declare a variable. Try declaring a variable yourself. Assign some value to it. To retrieve the value of variable, you can use echo followed by the variable name enclosed in %sign. Note: look at the instances shown here. Now we will learn how to use arithmetic operations in CMD. What's special in them? We have to tell CMD that we are doing arithmetic operations by writing a /A after set keyword. So, we will start like set /A and some variable, let's say y is equals to 4 plus 2. In the next line, write echo y enclosed in %sign.
In a similar fashion, we can perform subtraction, multiplication, and division. Great, you have got this. Now let's clean the screen by using CLS keyword. You can open a new instance of CMD by writing CMD, then enter. Now we will learn how to customize it. Right-click the command prompt window. Select Properties, then the Colors tab. Change screen text color and screen background color as per your wish. Similarly, you can also change the font. You can also change the way current path appears in CMD. For this purpose, we use the prompt keyword. We are not going to talk much about it. But you can learn this by typing prompt followed by / along with question mark in CMD. Actually, that is way to see the description of any command or keyword. Or you can also write help space the command you wanna use. Now we will learn to manage tasks in CMD. Write task list to list all the tasks running at the moment. Here you can see the process name, its id, session name and respective memory usage. You can stop any of them by using task kill keyword. You can use it by either using the PID or by using its name, for example notepad.exe. Now we will learn to explore directories, how to change from one directory to another, how to exit a subdirectory, etc. To change or open a new directory, we use cd keyword.